Hey guys, if you're among the iPhone users who are still experiencing extreme battery drain on your iPhone, then this video could be for you and could be at help. If you're running the latest iOS 17.2 or even 17.2.1, the latest release, I found out and I think I finally figured out what's draining the battery of my iPhone extremely quickly, and I wanted to share the details with you guys in today's video, and hopefully this will improve the battery life of your device. Now, just a few days ago, I posted a video here on YouTube explaining a few options you can change on your iPhone in order to improve the battery life, and those options definitely do help, and I'll link that in the description down below. But as I continue to test the software 17.2.1, I found one thing, and if you watch my video where I compare 17.2 versus 17.2.1, there's one thing that I mentioned in that video, and that is when my iPhone is on standby, not to be confused with standby mode, but on standby where you just lock your iPhone and sit it down on a table, it will drain the battery quicker than it did on iOS 17.1, for example. So 17.2 and 17.2.1 have an issue that will drain the battery a lot quicker when you're not using your phone. And let me show you exactly why I believe that is and how I improved the battery life of my iPhone with just additional changes that I made to this device. Now, the first thing I want to talk about is iOS 17.2.1, the release notes, because this is important. Apple released iOS 17.2.1. In the US, the release notes on the screenshot read as follow. This update provides important bug fixes and it is recommended for all users. However, if we take a look at the same update release notes in Japan, for example, Apple mentions the same thing but adds one line that says addresses an issue that can drain the battery quicker under certain conditions. And that's what prompted me to continue investigating why my iPhone was draining a lot quicker when sitting it down on standby. So if you didn't catch my coverage on how to improve the battery life of your iPhone, there was 4 options I mentioned you need to change in order to make that battery life a little bit longer. Let me show you that. They're all under privacy and security. Number 1, if you don't use the journal application, I recommend you turn off all journal suggestions, and just like so. Number 2, if you don't use the app privacy report, you can turn off app privacy report, and this will also improve the battery life of your iPhone. And again, under privacy, you can also go into tracking here and turn off all tracking requests and turn off all apps that may be tracking you. This will also improve the battery life. And number 4, if you go into location services, scroll down until you find system services, and then you scroll all the way to the bottom. If you don't use Apple Maps or Apple services, you can turn off improved maps, routing and traffic, iPhone analytics, and significant location. These will help improve the battery life of your iPhone dramatically. However, as I mentioned, I did additional research and I found 2 additional options that made the battery life of my iPhone perfect at this point. I love the way the battery life is right now, so I wanted to share those with you guys. Now, in order to figure out what was draining the battery quickly on my iPhone when I wasn't even using the iPhone, I try to think of features that run in the background are constantly running, and 2 things came to mind. And number 1, go to settings, go to display and brightness, and of course, the always on display. This is a feature that's always on when your iPhone is just sitting on a table and not being used. After several hours and days of testing, I've noticed that Apple's version of always on display, of course, has the wallpaper showing in the background. So if we go into settings and we turn off the show wallpaper option and we only have a completely blacked out screen just showing the time and the date, this will make the battery life of your iPhone a lot longer because it's not draining the battery in the background when it's sitting in standby waiting for you to pick it up. And I know Apple has adjusted the software with their always on display in order to preserve battery life, but I've noticed that turning off the wallpaper option actually extended the battery life of my iPhone. Now, if you have an always on display, go ahead and turn it off on your iPhone and come back to this video and let me know if this helped. Now, there was a second option that I also turned off in order to improve and preserve some of that battery life of my iPhone. So if we go into settings here, we jump into notifications. If you have enabled the schedule notification summary, if you turn this feature off, of course, this is constantly running in the background. So the notifications are delivered at a certain time of the day. So it's not directly sending notifications, but it preserves the notifications and delivers them to you on a summary for all the apps that you select at a specific time. And I've noticed that when I turn this feature off, it also also improved the battery dramatically on my iPhone. So two options: the always on display, just go in there and turn off the show wallpaper option, and go into the notifications, go into schedule summary, and if you have the notification summary enabled, just turn that off for a couple of days. Come back to this video and let me know if the battery has improved dramatically as it did for me, just by changing those two additional options running iOS 17.2 and 17.2.1. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps. Let me know in those comments down below if you have any additional tips to share with the community. I'll link everything in the description, the wallpaper and things like that. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.